Hey beautiful people! We are here to explore something extraordinary. It's a hidden secret, a powerful force that has always been part of your life, yet remains invisible. Are you guys excited to look into this mysterious power and discover how it can dramatically transform your life? Let's get started and unravel this together. Imagine walking through life with a powerful ally by your side, unseen yet constantly influencing your path, decisions, and ultimately, your destiny. This isn't just any ally, it's your own subconscious mind, a silent yet incredibly powerful force that shapes every aspect of your existence. This invisible force is the collection of your subconscious thoughts and beliefs. It works quietly behind the scenes, like the software that runs a mighty machine. Though we can't see it, it's always active, guiding how we perceive the world, react in various situations, and connect with people around us. The real magic happens when we become aware of this force and learn to harness its power. Imagine the possibilities when you align this silent influencer with your conscious goals. We're on a journey to understand this hidden power. By recognizing and harnessing this force, you can open doors to new opportunities and transform your life in ways you've only dreamed of. Let's uncover the tools and knowledge needed to tap into this unseen energy and use it to our advantage. Throughout history, the most enlightened minds and successful individuals have tapped into their subconscious powers, often without even realizing it. They didn't have access to modern psychological studies, but they understood the significance of nurturing positive beliefs and a resilient mindset. These pioneers, innovators, artists, and thinkers, harnessed the invisible force by aligning their deepest beliefs with their ambitious goals. They practiced relentless positivity and maintained an unwavering belief in their vision, which, in turn, propelled them to accomplish groundbreaking feats. It's not just their achievements that captivate us, but the profound impact of their internal belief systems. Their success stories are a testament to the power of the subconscious mind. From the creation of timeless art to scientific breakthroughs that changed the world, these historical figures had one thing in common: a mastery over the invisible forces within them. Alright, let's move forward. We've seen how historical geniuses possibly tapped into their subconscious. Now, it's time to understand the actual workings behind this incredible force. Ready to dive deeper? Let's peel back the layers and look directly into the science of the subconscious mind. What exactly happens in our brains that allows the subconscious to wield such influence? The answer lies in a fascinating field of study: neuroscience. Our brains are not just static organs but are dynamic systems, continually adapting and evolving based on our thoughts, experiences, and behaviors. At the core of this phenomenon is a process known as neuroplasticity. This refers to the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. Neuroplasticity means that every time you learn something new or adjust your belief system, your brain changes. This change isn't minor, it's profound and can affect everything from daily choices to long-term aspirations. But how does this relate to the invisible force of the subconscious? Well, repetitive thoughts and beliefs, whether positive or negative, strengthen certain neural pathways, and weaken others, effectively programming our minds to react in specific ways without conscious thought. Understanding this gives you a scientific basis for why directing your subconscious thoughts can lead to real, tangible changes in your life. Before we can harness the power of the subconscious, we must first recognize the barriers that block its potential. Many of us go through life unaware of the negative patterns entrenched in our subconscious. These patterns could stem from past failures, negative feedback, or even societal expectations that shape our belief systems without our conscious approval. One of the most significant barriers is doubt in ourselves, our abilities, and our potential. This doubt often gets encoded in our subconscious, creating a feedback loop that can hold us back. Another barrier is the habit of negative thinking that can dominate our mind space, powered by fears and past disappointments. To tap into the positive power of the subconscious, it is essential to first clear these hurdles. This begins with awareness, recognizing the negative beliefs and actively challenging them. The goal is to reprogram the mind, replacing old, unhelpful beliefs with new, empowering ones. Great to have you along as we look deeper. Having identified the barriers, it's time to learn how to tap into your subconscious power effectively. The first step in harnessing the power of your subconscious mind is recognizing the automatic patterns of thinking that may have been steering your life without your conscious approval. This awareness is the key to change. Start by observing your thoughts throughout the day. Notice the moments when negative or limiting beliefs creep in. These are your targets for change. The next step is to gently steer your thoughts towards positivity and possibility. This doesn't mean ignoring the negative but rather acknowledging it and then choosing a positive alternative. It's like rerouting a path in your brain. The more you travel this new path, the more natural it becomes. Practice mindfulness techniques such as meditation or mindful breathing to calm the mind and gain clearer insight into your subconscious thought patterns. Mindfulness helps create a state of awareness where change can seed. By making this a daily practice, even just a few minutes a day, you can start to make significant shifts in your subconscious mind. Now that you've started to influence your thoughts, it's time to translate these new, positive thought patterns into action. This is how real change begins. Actions reinforce thoughts, and together, they form the building blocks of new habits. Begin with small, manageable actions that reflect your new mindset. For instance, if you're fostering a belief in your ability to succeed in your career, start by updating your resume, enrolling in a professional course, or dedicating time each week to network with others in your field. Each action you take not only reinforces your new belief but also builds confidence and momentum. It's also important to set clear, achievable goals that guide these actions. Goals give direction and purpose, providing a roadmap for your subconscious to follow. Write these goals down and review them regularly. This process not only keeps you focused but also continuously aligns your subconscious with your conscious objectives. To ensure that the positive changes in your subconscious mind are not only achieved but maintained, it's crucial to adopt daily practices that reinforce this new way of thinking. Start with a simple morning routine that might include a few minutes of meditation, writing down things you're grateful for, or setting your intentions for the day. These practices help prime your mind for positivity and success from the moment you wake up. Consider incorporating regular affirmations into your day. Affirmations are positive statements that can help you challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. When you repeat them often, and believe in them, you start to make positive changes. They act as mental exercises for reinforcing your belief in your own abilities and creating a positive mental environment. Keep a journal of your thoughts and progress. Writing not only helps in tracking your journey but also provides insights into patterns that may still need some tweaking. Over time, this journal will serve as a testament to your growth and a reminder of the techniques that work best for you. Maintaining your progress is a dynamic process, and like any journey, it involves navigating through ups and downs. Setbacks are a natural part of life. They're not indicators of failure but opportunities for learning and growth. When you encounter a setback, the first step is to maintain a balanced perspective. Avoid letting disappointment cloud your entire journey. Instead, view each setback as a chance to refine your strategies and strengthen your resolve. Reacting to setbacks with resilience involves revisiting your thought patterns and affirmations. It might be helpful to adjust your affirmations to specifically address the challenges you're facing. For instance, if a particular goal seems out of reach, reinforce your belief in your ability to overcome obstacles, not just achieve outcomes. When faced with challenges, take a step back and evaluate your approach. Are there adjustments you can make to your actions or expectations? Often, a slight tweak in your approach can set you back on the right path and even unveil new opportunities. While you integrate these practices into your life, it's essential to keep the momentum going by continuously setting new, realistic goals. As you achieve each goal, set another one that stretches your capabilities a bit further. This continuous goal setting keeps your subconscious engaged and oriented towards growth and improvement. Regularly revisiting your goals and the reasons behind them helps to keep your focus sharp and your commitment strong. Remind yourself why you started this journey and what you hope to achieve. Keeping these objectives in mind fuels your motivation and helps navigate through periods of doubt or stagnation. Sharing your experiences and learning from others can provide additional motivation and insights. While we close today's video, remember that the invisible force within you is a source of immense power and potential. Every thought and belief has the capacity to shape your reality, and you now possess the understanding and tools to direct this force towards achieving your dreams. Continue to cultivate awareness, challenge your limits, and accept the changes that come with growth. Keep nurturing your mind with positivity and purpose, and watch as your life transforms. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening path. Until next time, keep believing in the power of your subconscious mind.